Lesson: Compliance with data protection laws. Compliance with data protection laws is a critical component of ethical governance, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. As AI systems rapidly integrate into various sectors, the need to safeguard personal data from misuse or breach intensifies. Navigating this landscape requires a deep understanding of data protection frameworks, actionable insights, and practical tools that professionals can implement directly. Central to data protection is the General Data Protection Regulation, a robust legal framework setting stringent guidelines for data collection, processing, and storage within the European Union. GDPR's principles, such as data minimization, purpose limitation, and accountability, are pivotal in guiding organizations to handle personal data responsibly. A key actionable insight for compliance with GDPR is the implementation of data protection impact assessments. DPIAs are systematic processes used to identify and mitigate data protection risks in new projects or when processing activities change significantly. By conducting DPIAs, organizations can ensure they address potential privacy issues proactively, thereby reducing the likelihood of non-compliance and associated fines. Another cornerstone of data protection is the California Consumer Privacy Act, which empowers consumers to exercise greater control over their data. It mandates transparency from businesses regarding data collection and usage, offering consumers rights such as data access, deletion, and opt-out of data sale. Organizations can leverage privacy management software like OneTrust or TrustArc, which offer comprehensive compliance solutions, including data mapping, consent management, and consumer rights request automation. These tools facilitate adherence to CCPA by enabling businesses to manage consumer data requests efficiently and maintain compliance records. Incorporating privacy by design is a proactive strategy that embeds privacy considerations into the development of AI systems from inception. This approach not only aligns with GDPR, but is also increasingly recognized as a best practice globally. Privacy by design emphasizes the integration of data protection features directly into technology systems and processes. For instance, differential privacy is a technique that introduces statistical noise to datasets, making it difficult to identify individual data subjects while still enabling data analysis. Differential privacy has been successfully implemented by tech giants like Apple and Google to enhance user privacy in their AI-driven services, demonstrating its practicality and effectiveness. Data anonymization and pseudonymization are additional techniques that organizations can utilize to protect personal data. Anonymization irreversibly removes identifiable information, making it impossible to trace data back to an individual, whereas pseudonymization replaces private identifiers with fictitious names or numbers. These techniques are particularly valuable when sharing datasets for AI training or research purposes, ensuring compliance with data protection laws while maintaining data utility. For example, in the healthcare sector, anonymized patient data can be used to train AI models that predict disease outbreaks without compromising patient privacy. A practical framework for ensuring compliance with data protection laws is the NIST Privacy Framework, developed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This framework provides a structured approach to managing privacy risks, consisting of core functions: identify, govern, control, communicate, and protect. Organizations can use this framework to assess their current privacy practices, identify areas for improvement, and develop a comprehensive privacy program that aligns with regulatory requirements. By applying the NIST Privacy Framework, businesses can enhance their privacy posture and build trust with stakeholders. Real-world case studies underscore the importance of compliance with data protection laws and illustrate the repercussions of non-compliance. In 2018, British Airways was fined £183 million by the Information Commissioner's Office for a data breach that compromised the personal data of approximately 500,000 customers. The breach was attributed to inadequate security measures, by highlighting the need for robust data protection strategies. This case serves as a cautionary tale, emphasizing the necessity of implementing comprehensive security controls and conducting regular audits to safeguard personal data. In addition to regulatory frameworks, Ethical considerations play a significant role in data protection. The AI ethics principles advocated by organizations like the IEEE and the European Commission stress the importance of transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems. Transparency involves clear communication about data collection practices and purposes, while accountability requires organizations to take responsibility for data protection failures. Fairness ensures that AI systems do not perpetuate biases or discrimination, which can be achieved by incorporating diverse datasets and regularly evaluating AI models for bias. Statistics reveal the growing importance of data protection in AI. A survey conducted by the International Association of Privacy Professionals found that 67% of privacy professionals believe that AI will significantly impact privacy practices over the next 5 years. This underscores the need for continuous learning and adaptation to stay ahead of emerging data protection challenges. By staying informed about evolving regulations and best practices, professionals can effectively navigate the complexities of data protection in AI. In conclusion, compliance with data protection laws is an essential aspect of AI ethics and governance. Organizations must adopt a multifaceted approach that includes implementing frameworks like GDPR and CCPA, utilizing privacy-enhancing technologies, and embedding privacy by design into AI systems. Practical tools such as privacy management software and the NIST privacy framework can facilitate compliance efforts, while real-world case studies and ethical considerations highlight the importance of robust data protection practices. By prioritizing data protection, organizations can not only mitigate legal risks, but also foster trust and confidence among consumers and stakeholders.